Hi, today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Comodita Tipo for the first time. These instructions are good for your Comodita Tipo Classic and the Comodita Tipo Petite. When you open the box, you're going to find the walker itself, the Comodita cup holder and cane support, the user guide, the shopping bag for your walker, and the transport bag to carry your walker around. The first thing you do is bring the handles up on your walker. Do that until you hear a little clicking sound, and then make sure that you lock the brakes. Now, find this metal lever, bring it up, and slide it down on both sides. Then find the plastic device that is holding the seat together. Open it up and spread the seat apart. Push it down until you hear a clicking sound again. Now you can adjust the handle heights. Turn the knob, pull it up to the desired height, and you can use the numbers as a reference. Do that on both sides. Now you're going to install the cane holder. The cane support goes on the left side of your walker and you can simply slide it in. Your pizza cup holder goes on the right side of the walker, and again, you just gently slide it in. Now, let's put in the shopping bag. Find the little pockets and put them into this metal frame. Make sure you put it all the way in, and then the strap goes around the frame of the walker, and then you use the Velcro on the front. Do the same thing on the other side. And now, your Comodita Tipo is ready to go. Enjoy!